I may look like an ordinary, slightly overweight pussycat, but with this in my claws, I am the Time Master. Wait till John tries to rush me around tomorrow morning.
Gold! Awesome! Look at all this stuff! So shiny! I wonder if it belonged to a princess.
Yummy! A ham and cheese sandwich. Huh? Mmm. Tasty.
Oh, yeah!
7 o'clock! Oh no! I overslept!
Not today, alarm clock.
I've gotta go get...
Stop, everyone! What are we gonna do?
Much better. Yum. Oh, I got another 3 hours of beautiful, glorious sleep. And I see it's still 7 o'clock. Tummy rumbling. Time to get John started on breakfast.
Breakfast on the table!
She says there's a cocoon here.
I love this pyramid.
Chirp, look at this necklace. Tweet, look at this gold ring.
Where'd he go?
He's here, he's there. He tickles.
Now, this is the way to be in a hurry. Take your time.